Hi, Corrective Color Specialists. I'm Suzie Bond, salon owner and artist with L'Oreal Professionnel. Let's take a look at how I use iNOA Clear.
When the tinted hair has an incompatible reflect to the new target shade, it needs to be removed. iNOA Clear is the perfect candidate for this job. Utilizing iNOA 30 volume developer and Clear, we put it through all of the previously tinted hair. Some of the hair had been lightened first, so pushing the iNOA Clear up onto that virgin hair gives us a softer blended line. Process the iNOA Clear for up to 35 minutes, depending on the amount of reflect needing to be removed. And voila, you are back to underlined pigment, ready for the next application.